So welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we're going to trade over 2 using TradingView. I have 2 screens right here. So I'm using the Dochan channel, the CCI, the MACD and the stochastic RSI. Now on the normal trade, you first analyze the market. So digit 0, 1 and 2 should be below 10% and constant, not increasing in percentage. And then the red bar should be on any digit above 4 and the green bar should be on any digit above 2. Now the entry point, you wait for these numbers 8, 0, 2, 6. You wait for either to go from digit 0, 1, you press over. Now let's wait. 7, 9, 1 over. That's a win. Remember to have proper risk management. That's second one. Don't overtrade. Remember, losses are there. The market is still okay for over 2. 8, 6, 6, 2. Good entry points. Remember to have proper risk management, don't overtrade, and everything will be well. Remember to subscribe, get me to 1,000 subscribers. I'm now at 950. 50 more to get to 1,000. Be patient with the market. The market is changing. It's almost changing. It's changing so fast. That's a loss. Let's do one last one because the market is a change. 9, 0 over. So I've said the entry point is either digit 0, 1 and 2. You determine your entry points after analyzing the market. That's where you get your entry points. Have proper risk management. Comments down below if you have tested the strategy. Comments down below if you have tested the previous strategies, and subscribe to the channel. And I offer free classes, and if you want to be more personalized, I have a package for everyone. You pay a small fee, everything will be well. Remember, subscribe, comment down below, share it to your friends, share it to your partners, like, subscribe. Peace out, guys.